Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a new way on how you can hold a baby undress to impress. So we will be using the doll, this one. I'm just going to color it the same, and I'm just going to toggle it to the dolly one. Then we are going to get the bear here, if I can just find it. I think it's in this placement. And you can barely even see it, but you can color it to the same color as your dress so that it hides it a little bit more. I didn't really toggle it to anything, but yeah, that is how you can also hold a baby undress to impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.